Media quick tips.
Now, if you would like to do some insanely smooth tracking, panning and dollying with your Gorilla style tripod, then first you're going to need one of these.
That's right, a swivel chair. Swivel chairs are brilliant because they can move like this, and this, and of course they can swivel. So if you firmly attach your Gorilla style tripod and camera to the back of the chair, you'll now be able to use it to pan, track, and dolly, like this. Well, that's all very well, but does it work? Well, I've just used it to make a quick clip containing the lot: pans, tracks, and dollies. Check it out, see what you think. There you go. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. This has been a Media Quick Tip, and I've been William Hugh.